Ka National Institute of Technology Meghalaya, kabadan Sohra, kabadai ka school ba sorka lani Central Government College. Kelalong rasisya ka Islam aji hikai, kabala pelilar pelenti yaki samla pule, bagian pendap yaki kerdan pule bekam sejrong, lani higher studies, kum haki subject engineering but technology. Ha kasni palai arpulai tarik urisau jong usnem arhajar arpusan, ha kajingnya kenduk lang jong kinang lum kubor, bat kinotre jong ketika school ba NIT Meghalaya Sohra. Kata hapoka office jongka hi NIT Sohra na kaliang direktor jongka Profesor Pinakeshwar Mahanta ulaong baka National Institute of Technology NIT Meghalaya kalarung nengkong haka World University Ranking haka kerdan kebah kat arspa iway hadu khasan spa na keleng ke pertai ke bakan top palan kat sahajar teliki skul ba. Kani kadai kajing cap ko bakrau na kamenta ka school ba kepala beteng ru banlong hapok ka National Institutional Ranking Framework NIRF lasan senem lenter hakaba mentak layo ya ka kerdan ke ba prapulai hakari director ka NIT Meghalaya Profesor Pinakeshwar Mahanta ulaong baka jingrung jokote ka school ba hakate ka thom kadai ka jingjap ka bakrau ha bar ka pen i ya ka jing sutu bar ka jing sha itu jongka hakaliang pule bar ka jing wat ni ha ka jing long pertai ka school ba la yo ru shibun ki jing itu kan thop ya ka Mahatma Gandhi Award for Academic Excellence bar ka kerdan ka basan pon rio ha ka jing khen jongka India Today ha ka school ba engineering la ong umahanta haba ka daupat sya ka jing la ha ka liang ka jing wat ni ula ong baka NIT Meghalaya kalayo khandai teliki projek berkersan daki sarkar berki kenhun ki basyongdor saupun khandai klur bat lai pulai teliki projek ajingmot ki basyongdor lai klur hakasnem goblalek no kinohi kai gebla pelaj palat lai spak teliki kot jingwat benia hakikot bapau hakapertai bat la file ru sau teliki paten ka school ba klasai ru khasau teliki MOU Barki school ba hakari bersyabar kum ki IIT Hyderabad, IIT Madras, IIT Jodhpur, Parul University Gujarat, PTP Germany, Oxford University UK, Dotpad INC South Korea, bat SCCTE Meghalaya. Profesor Mahanta ula ongru baka NIT Meghalaya kelas dang ya ka Center for Teaching the Blind kebapen sisha ya ka jing hikai hagi komputer bat artificial intelligence na kamentaki brio bamatla ha usnem blalek no prangot kinawan train ki bamatla klayo ya ka certificate bat ka school ba ka thamu man penbuon hadu sipo hadu khat sangut man la usnem director Mahanta ula pentip ro ba ka school ba kandon ya ka placement record ka baklan ha ka ba 100% ki samla puli klayo kam bat 100% klayo buon jat ki kam Kito ki company ki bersim kam kentup ya ka Amazon, Microsoft, BPCL, LNT, Cisco bat Deloitte. Ka package ka bakrau tam ha usnem balalek no kalong sanpu arlak sisnem. Kat ba ka average package kalong kat way point nyabusan lak sisnem. Ki samla puli ru klayo nam ya ka jekop ka perthai da ka baca best paper award bat gold medals. Profesor Mahanta ula ong baka NIT Meghalaya kadang penklan ya kacing perkat hakaliang semiconductor design but sustainable development but inclusive technology ban pen I ya kacing kitkli jongka hakibenta ki badai bat kari bat hakapertai hi barok away ka NIT Meghalaya Sohra kelalong kum ka khet puli kabalaki ustad bah hakaliang jing puli kacing wat pnia bat kacing penkla thamai katong jongi hi ula ong kalong ban pendap jing metoi ha kapertai bat ban sakri ya kijing rangkam jong ka imlang ka salang ula benram nang ta ula ong ka NIT Meghalaya kan penlong ya ka Convocation ka bakat ar ha ka permanent campus jong ka ha saisa pen Sohra ha ka lai tarik urisau jong usnam arajar afusan usri syrikan madhab media unong yalam barim jong ka Indian Oil Corporation Limited ulong chief guest kat ba Profesor Direndranath Burakohan director barim joka NIT ka hoti ulong guest of honor kajing lang kan long ru ha kajing pet jong usunil alang chairman jong ka board of governors NIT Meghalaya habakran makinong thok khubor ha katei kasni Profesor Mahanta ula ong hadu arts pa san phongut ki samla puli kin yo ya ki degree jong ki ha katei kasni shis pa san phongut jong ka bitak life rengut jong ka MSc arpu saungut jong ka MTech bat lai pun nyungut PhD ban pen kup buram ya kitu ki bapau pha ha kaching pule NI kharsantali ki medalist kan thup lai ngut ki kan thai Kini kinlong kum ka President Gold Medalist, Chairman's Gold Medalist, barki medalist na kabataki graduate, barki topa haman la ka branch. Shua ka Convocation u Professor Mahanta ulaong ka school ba kan pelong shua ya ka alumni met ka school ba kan pelong shua ya ka alumni met haka sni balang kata haka phonai trik ulsau jong usam arhajar apusan banyo ya kejing kendu ban ya slok biang ya kis melapuli barim bar ka school ba halor ka jingkiu bar ka jingroi jongka.
And actually, we are getting the entire support from media houses, very good coverage, very good publication of the news, and every time the media persons are supported like anything to us. And we are also very much thankful to all the media houses because they have come such a long place with the request of our director, and we are very much thankful. We will be in good association with them, and so this time our convocation will be conducted on the 30th of October in our own campus. So we had requested the press to have a pre-convocation press meet so that the entire state of Meghalaya and outside the Meghalaya will know that the Meghalaya is the NIT Meghalaya is conducting its convocation in its permanent campus.
This particular meet is to give the basics of the convocation we are going to hold on 30th of October. So this 30th of October is the 12th convocation for our institute, and this convocation will be actually graced by the, I think, former chairman of Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Sri Srikant Madhav Vaidya, and guest of honor will be Professor Dhirendranath Buragohai, who happened to be the founder director of IIT Guwahati and presently emeritus professor of IIT Guwahati. Then this convocation will be chaired by our honorable chairman of Board of Governors, Sri Sunil Alagji. The convocation will start at 11 o'clock and it will be hardly 2 hours. So I invite all of you to attend this and participate actively in this convocation. This convocation will be offering degree to 250 students, including 153 BTech, 36 MSc, 24 MTech, and 37 PhD recipients. Apart from that, 15 medals will be awarded for academic excellence, including 3 female medalists. So that comprises of gold medal for President's Gold Medal, one Chairman's Gold Medal, then gold medals for the best graduates, like that, and also silver medals for branch-wise toppers. This convocation, before the convocation, prior to that date, there will be an alumni meet in the evening of 29th. That will be also scheduled here. And their alumni will be making a new chapter, and followed by that there will be one cultural program by our students only. This is in brief that is going to happen on 29th and 30th of October. I'd like to give a glimpse of institute's activities happened so far. So we have now more than 107 faculty members. Out of that, 75 are regular faculty. Remaining are adjunct or ad hoc or visiting professors. Followed by that, we have 332 staff. Out of that, 85 are permanent staff. Remaining are outsourced staff. Then we have gradual increase in our student strength. It is more than 1200 now. And we have started with new courses like ZDA Nursing certificate course. Then apart from that, MCA, Master of Computer Application this year. Then we are also planning to have some new courses collaborated with MPTI Guwahati, that is BTech and AI, machine learning, that kind of, and cyber security. That will be started from July 2026. Apart from that, I am very glad to tell that the institute has got consistently NIRF ranking for last, I think, 5-6 years. This year,
8 years.
Last 8 years. And this year also, we are within the 100 in all over India. And our rank was 83. Apart from that, we have first time in the world ranking, world university ranking, we have positioned between the band of 1201 to 1500 band. There are more than 14,000 universities across the world participated. And that is a big achievement for us. Apart from that, we got many other awards like Mahatma Gandhi Award for Academic Excellence very recently. Then India Today ranking, which is 56. Then apart from that, our faculty members produced the chips first time, and it was in Indian chip program which was accluded by our Honorable Prime Minister in Delhi. A semiconductor IC packaging and testing facility also we have created here for certification course. Already one certificate course has been done. This is tuned up with the semiconductor facilities grown up in the country to increase the human resource. Also, we have strengthened the post-fabrication of semiconductor research. Then in academic activities, our Dean Academic can explain in details, but I am just giving you brief. MTech in Environmental Science already we have started. Then minor degree course in Sports Engineering we have started from last year. Then it is planned to have AI, machine learning and energy system master and minor courses from coming year. Then in research, we have more than 9 sponsored projects during last 1 year, worth rupees 4.9 crores of rupees, and 33 consultancy projects, around 3 crore rupees. Over 300 research papers were published during the year in reported journals and conferences having SCI or Scopus index. And 4 patents are filed by our faculty members. In collaboration, we have more than 14 MOUs we signed in last 1 year with PTB Germany, Technical University of Ilmenu, then IIT Hyderabad, IIT Jodhpur, IIT Madras, and IIM Visakhapatnam, Parul University of Gujarat, Oxford University, and also .PED Incorporation of South Korea, and ST Meghalaya. Industry collaboration with NPTI already I mentioned, and also with NESAK. And in these collaborations, there is a collaboration between the faculty or scientists of different universities with us. Their students are coming for PhD, so we are having joint degree and proposing some joint degree with TU Ilmenu also in Germany. Then we have formed 2 new centers recently. One is Center for Structural Health Monitoring and Infrastructure Development, and one is Design Incubation Center to the tune of startups, entrepreneurship developments. Major research facilities involved and utilization is the Central Instrument Facility and Semiconductor Lab. 3 new computer laboratories with 287 new computers. We have put in 3 different laboratories here in one of the blocks, and that is exclusively used by not only our students, rather some outsiders are also coming and taking part in that, in learning. We have also started one blind center for teaching the blind people with computer. And for that DOT Incorporation has given us a product, and we are formulating now a certificate course has already been given from last year. 8 blind people were given certificates for that, and gradually we are going to take up a group of 10 to 15 blind people or visually impaired people for certification, so that their knowledge in computer will be increasing with artificial intelligence. Student success rate is good. More than 64% of final year student got job. Out of that, 55% student got multiple packages, but they choose only one. They have to choose one. And many companies like Amazon, Microsoft, BPCL, L&T, Cisco, Deloitte, etc. have come to our campus and they recruited. Some of the students got best paper award and gold medals in global competitions very recently. Details are available with us. I can give you the hard copy for that. The package the student got last year is 52 lakhs in 1 year. 52 lakhs package, and average package for per student is 11.75 lakhs. We have also done some outreach activities, and we are obliged to do such work for local growth of the local people under Unnat Bharat Abhijan. We are the regional coordinating institute for Meghalaya, and we are coordinating with all other higher education institutes in Meghalaya. And under that, we have also made a Sitimon Sohra Center for Inclusive Education, where these blind peoples are given training or certification. Also, we are trying to have more and more such things like in the Sela area, we have given a motorized boat, and the local people can fly from other side to this side. This kind of things also we have provided. It is a CSR activity. So overall, NIT Meghalaya continues to emerge as a vibrant hub for education, research, and innovation. Our initiatives in semiconductor design, sustainable development, and inclusive technology reflect our commitment to national priorities and global partnerships. Thank you.